So welcome to the webinar, and today we are going to discuss about the four major ways to make money with digital marketing. Because why do we learn a digital marketing skill? Why do you learn a digital marketing skill? We learn a digital marketing skill because we want to monetize it, right? But when you think about digital marketing, how will you define digital marketing? Put it in the chat box. You can put it as all panelists and attendees so that others can also go ahead and see what you are chatting. So what do you think? How do you define digital marketing? What is digital marketing? A lot of people have a lot of different thoughts. So some people are saying online business, marketing digitally, marketing medium to market our product. You cannot say just market our products because you're also marketing yourself via digital marketing, right? So branding, marketing, selling, marketing digitally, concept of digital tools. So I will tell you my own definition of how I see digital marketing to be. So digital marketing is basically an amplifier, right? So when you look at, let's say, let's just type it here. 4 ways to make money with digital marketing. So let's put the first thing. What is digital marketing? And I look at what is digital marketing in the first place. I would say that digital marketing is basically a method to amplify, right? So the first inventions of language was one of the biggest inventions. So what happened after people created language? First it was sign language. Second it was numbers. Then it was written language. And then they wrote it in clay tablets, and they probably wrote their language, somewhere where they could go ahead and learn something. And then you had spoken language. In fact, spoken language came after sign language, before numbers and written came into existence. And amplification of thoughts was the second biggest invention, right? So invention built on top of language. So when we were like, let's say, tribal people, when we were in islands, or when we were in Africa, 70 million, I think 70 million years back, that is when humans started originating. No, actually it was 70,000 years back, I guess. I'm not really sure about the numbers. You should read this book called Sapiens to learn about more about the evolution of humankind. Right. So basically, what happened was that initially people started communicating, but when you had sign language, you had two people, and two people had to communicate with sign language in real time. So, which means that you had to have the same time and the same space, right? So you have to be in the same time plus same space for all these spoken languages and everything, same time and same space. But when it was written language, it can be different times plus same space. So which means that if you had written something on a clay tablet, or if you had written something on a cave wall, you could write it today. Somebody else can go ahead and read it tomorrow. But at the same time, what happens is that the person has to be in the same physical space to read that content, right? You cannot be at different spaces. So amplification of thoughts of language was built on top of language, right? So what was the first amplification medium of of language? It was the printing press. You understand printing press, right? So printing press was invented by Gutenberg. There is this guy called Gutenberg, And Gutenberg invented the printing press, and the first printing press was very simple. You basically had to typeset each and every word, and then you can dip it in an ink, and then you go ahead and put it on paper. So printing press was invented as late as 17th century, guys. Can you imagine that? It was just 300 years back. Humans have been here for millions and millions of years. And just 300 years back, the printing press was invented. That is when, for the first time, amplification was done. But the amplification was done only for words, right? And what you could do is that you can do different times plus different spaces, which means that the person who is writing the article can write at one place at one time, and the person reading the article can be at other place and another time. What came after the printing press? You had radio. Then you had television. And then you had the internet, right? So you see how the whole, then you had less telegram, telegraph, a lot of other things. We will not get too much into it, but you understand the idea, right? How we evolved as a language. So why I am telling you all this is because when it comes to digital marketing is nothing but a way to amplify the message, right? A way to amplify the message. So yes, you will get a recording of this session and you will get a mind map of this also. I will be sharing it with you, no worries. So a way to amplify the message. So imagine you are a tribal leader, okay? What does a tribal leader do? Can you let me know in the chat box? You can put all panelists and attendees if you want. What does a tribal leader do? He basically behaves like an admin, but what is the primary thing? Yeah, he leads the tribe. How does he lead the tribe? How does he show the authority? How does he dominate, boss? A lot of people. Power, yes. How does he show his power? How does he show the path? What does a tribal leader do? Imagine long back, there was like, let's say, 500 people in a village. What is the primary thing that a tribal leader does? Yes, yes, yes. I see Karthikeyan has said it right. Communication, communication. What do politicians do? What do tribal leaders do? They do speaking, they do communication, they share their thoughts with the entire tribe. Otherwise, they cannot get the entire tribe to act as a single unit, right? That is the primary thing you do. Yes, there are a lot of other responsibilities. He make decisions and everything, but the primary thing he does is he sets rules and everything. But imagine if a tribal leader cannot speak. Can he be a tribal leader? Can anyone who does not know how to speak or cannot speak can be a tribal leader? No. So when you look at leadership, the word leadership is invariably linked to the power to communicate, right? Okay, so let's say a tribal leader is an excellent orator, excellent communicator. He can share his thoughts in an amazing way with the entire audience. If he is standing on a rock and he is talking to a group of people, how many people can he talk to without using any technology? Put a number. How many people? 150? Yes. Maybe maximum 500 people, right? Maximum maybe 500 people. He can really shout at the top of his voice, try to communicate with everyone in the tribe, and try to get everybody on the same page. But what happens if there are 5,000 people? If there are 5,000 people gathered at the same place, first of all, the problem is that 5,000 people have to gather at the same place, which means that there needs to be an auditorium or a place to gather. But even then, he cannot amplify his message, right? What about the person who is in the last row of the entire crowd? He cannot hear the leader. So, and the leader cannot depend on other people to transfer the communication either, right? So, yes, some people said microphone, right? But not just microphone. He needs a microphone plus speakers, right? Microphone plus speakers. So when you have a look at a tribal leader, let's talk about a tribal leader. So this tribal leader, his primary work is to communicate. No one can be a leader without the power of communication. He can only talk to 500 people max without technology. And technology. And he also has to do it at the same place and at the same time, right? So digital marketing is a way to amplify the message across time and across space with as much effect as a person standing next to you. Got it? So that is what digital marketing is, guys. See, today I'm doing a live webinar. This webinar is happening live. We are doing it across space. You guys are sitting at your home. I am sitting at my home. I hope everyone is safe. I hope everyone is keeping well, and stay home, stay safe, by the way. But we are doing it across space, right? But imagine the videos that I have created, the training videos that I have created, the YouTube videos I have created. That is also across time, right? I might have created the video sometime else. Today, if you go and watch my YouTube video, what you will see is that you will be able to listen to what I say, and this is across time, across space, and it's not like radio, TV, television, where you are basically not having much options to see what you have to read about. But here, if I send out a mail, or if I have like a drip marketing sequence, basically I'm communicating across time and across space, right? So digital marketing is a tool for leaders. Agreed? Did you have a bulb on moment? Just type bulb on. Just type bulb on if you had a bulb on moment. Yes. So has anyone told you digital marketing in this angle? Has anyone told you digital? Everybody is like, hey, digital marketing is just running ads and just putting ads and doing promotions, doing sales. No, boss, digital marketing is basically the highest evolution of communication itself, and what makes humans different from other species, right? What makes humans different from other species is because humans can communicate with each other. Human can kind of become like one unit through communication, right? Yes, animals also communicate with each other, not at this level of clarity. So when humans were able to communicate with each other, and when humans were able to work as a team, they were able to become more powerful than other people. So digital marketing expertise is power, right? If somebody does not know digital marketing well, then he is not able to communicate well, right? And a lot of people are depending on platforms like Ms. Kangana is depending on a platform, which is Twitter, and Twitter immediately throws her out, right? And a lot of people think that having an Instagram profile or a Twitter profile or a Facebook profile with tons and tons of followers is enough to be an influencer. Definitely not. To be an influencer, first you need content, which is very deep. Second, you need to know blogging. You need to learn how to create your own websites. You need to learn how to do SEO. You need to learn how to do email marketing, right? And you need to have all these learnings to be an effective communicator and get people to watch what you have to say, and basically absorb the information that you have to say, which is a technology. So if leadership is power, digital marketing expertise is also power, right? Digital marketing expertise is power, and it amplifies leaders' thoughts. So anyone who wants to become a supreme leader of a nation or a state or moral leader or spiritual leader or whatever leader that might be. Today, we see a lot of spiritual leaders also use digital marketing effectively. We have Sadhgurus of the world doing YouTube channels and blogging and everything. Do you think that they are like, utilizing the power of digital marketing to have a higher reach for their message? Imagine Gandhiji. Imagine Gandhiji had technology like digital marketing to communicate. We might have had independence 200 years earlier, right? It was so difficult for him to communicate his thoughts. The best option that he had was to write books and then go ahead and reprint the books, try to distribute, and a lot of people do not know how to read books. But imagine if he had an email list. He just sent out a mail to the nation. Hey guys, I'm doing Satyagraha tomorrow. I hope you would join me, right? Imagine the amount of power he might have had if he had known digital, if he had a digital marketing technology. So digital marketing is power, right? Digital marketing is power. It's a superpower. So this is what digital marketing is, guys. So this is what digital marketing is. And I hope you have learned about what Digital Deepak means, right? Digital Deepak basically means that I have created a digital version of myself, which people can engage with and interact with. And how many of you have watched this? Let me play a video for you. So how many of you have watched this movie, iRobot, by Will Smith? A lot of people have watched. So I will show you a scene from iRobot movie, and then we will get back to what we were discussing. Watch it, and I will tell you how this is relevant to what we are talking about.
Good to see you.
1 second. Just want to make sure you guys can hear the audio as well. So watch this video, then we will talk about it.
Good to see you again, son.
Hello, Doctor.
Everything that follows is a result of what you see here.
Is there something you want to tell me?
I'm sorry, my responses are limited. You must ask the right questions.
Why did you call me?
I trust your judgment.
Normally, these circumstances wouldn't require a homicide detective.
But then our interactions have never been entirely normal. Wouldn't you agree?
Got that right. Is there something you want to say to me?
I'm sorry. My responses are limited. You must ask the right questions.
Why would you kill yourself?
That, detective, is the right question. Program terminated.
So you see what I am trying to tell here. You saw the video, yes? So basically, this scientist wanted to communicate with Will Smith even after he passed away. So he created like a high technology device. Such hologram technology probably doesn't, is not available right now. But imagine in that movie, what he is trying to basically do is that this scientist has created a digital version of himself so that Will Smith can interact with him, even after he has passed away, right? So when Will Smith asks certain questions, he says, my responses are limited because it's a digital version of him. But however, if Will Smith is asking certain questions, he is able to answer, right? So I'm not saying that digital marketing means that you have to go and create holograms. But basically what I am saying is that if you have created content and if you have applied digital marketing properly, and if you have done email marketing and deep marketing properly, then what basically happens is that people are interacting with a digital version of you, even when you are not available there, right? Like for example, right now, I am doing this webinar live, but most of the people, so guys, don't get distracted about holograms. That is not the topic here. So yeah, focus on this. So basically what happens is that most of the people who are interacting with me are not interacting with the real me, right? The real me is sitting at home, probably eating something, watching TV, reading books. But the content that I have created is like just that scientist has created that hologram where people are interacting with the digital version of me. And that is why I call myself Digital Deepak, right? A lot of people think that I called myself Digital Deepak because I am into digital marketing niche. And a lot of other people also call themselves Digital Nitin or digital whatever, digital Anmol, digital Sakshi or whatever. But you understand what I am trying to tell here, right? Digital Deepak means that I have created a digital version of myself which communicates with people. But end of the day, because of that communication, my brand image is also growing, right? So every politician, every leader, every business CEO, anybody who is in the leadership position needs to communicate well. And digital marketing is the best way to go ahead and communicate well, right? So how many of you found whatever I have shared with you so far useful? Just type, useful in the chat box. You can put it as all panelists and attendees so that you can see others' chats as well. So useful, yes. You got a new perspective about digital marketing. This is what nobody teaches. So I want to, teach this mindset. I want to go ahead and teach, how to think differently about digital marketing. And that is what basically I have, taught here, right? So what I would like to do is that I would like to go ahead and capture what did you learn today in this webinar, and then we will go about the four methods of, you know, the four methods of making money with digital marketing. I will just go ahead and, ask a question on Twitter. So what did you learn today about the term digital marketing? So what I want you to do is that I don't want you to give one word answers. I want you to go ahead and give answers, which is something that, you understand well. Okay, so basically what you have learned until now, try to form a sentence out of it. You don't need to write a lot of notes, but try to form a sentence out of it and write at least like a few lines of what you have learned based on what we have been talking about in the past half an hour. And I will just grab a cup of water. So I'm going ahead and sharing the link to the tweet. And what I'm going to do is that the person who basically frames the best line or the best sentence in this entire tweet reply is going to get a gift from me. It is going to be a one-on-one 20-minute consultation with me. And I will talk to you for 20 minutes. Probably it will go up to 30 minutes. And that is my gift to motivate you to try to articulate as clearly as possible, because I told you digital marketing is about communication, it's about leadership. So go ahead and tweet, comment on this tweet. Come on guys, a way to amplify content. This is very short. Digital tool to reach out to mass population. No, this is very short. Try to write like a descriptive line, take like a minute or two, and let's see who comes up with the best way to capture whatever I have said in not too long, also in a very precise way, like whatever Twitter allows you to write. So go ahead and write it, and give me 1 minute as I grab like a cup of water for myself, and then we will continue talking about the top ways to make money with digital marketing. If you are not on Twitter, it's fine. You can still open this link and see what the responses from other people are, right? So go ahead and put out a comment, and I will be back in a minute. So let's put a refresh here. So you can still go ahead and take some time to give a proper reply, and then I will see who has given the best concise reply. And based on who has given me the best concise reply, I will reach out to you. I will follow you on Twitter and you follow me back. By the way, if you are not following me on Twitter, you can make sure that you are following me, and then I will go ahead and personally message you. And once I personally message you, then you can go ahead and communicate with me so that we can set up a time for the call. So one winner will get a free consultation with me. Hope you are looking forward to it. Some people are copy pasting it on the chat box in the webinar, but it will get lost. So bookmark the link and then you can comment it, later as well. All right. So now let's go ahead and talk about the different ways to make money with digital marketing. So I will quickly tell you what are the different ways to make money with digital marketing. So some people are saying you have thought that this webinar is at 9 p.m. Yes, we had to reschedule it for 7:30 p.m. due to some other engagement at 9 p.m. But nothing to worry, because I will be giving you a recording of this webinar as well. So I cannot decide the winner right now. I will go ahead and read all the comments a little bit later, and then we will decide on the winner. All right. So some people are saying, I don't have an account on Twitter. Please create an account. As a digital marketer, you should be having an account on Twitter. Right. So what are the 4 ways to make money with digital marketing? Money making channels. So once you learn digital marketing, what you basically need to do is that you need to monetize your skills. So the first way to monetize your digital marketing skill is to get a job, right? And the second way to monetize your digital marketing is to do digital freelancing. The third way to monetize your digital marketing skills is what I call digital mentoring. And the fourth way to monetize your digital marketing skills is to basically go ahead and do affiliate marketing, right? So these are the 4 major ways. And there is one 5th way also, which I will put it in brackets, grow your startup. With your DM skills yourself, right? So I wouldn't put as a money-making method, because somebody who is running a business already is going to be making money already. It's not a money-making method rather than a growth method. So these are the 4 major ways you can, become a digital marketer, right? So if you want to get a job, there are plenty of companies in India who have opening for digital marketers. So how many of you feel that, digital marketing is the next big thing, and a lot of people need digital marketing to go ahead and amplify their own message about the products and services that they have, right? Just type DM in the chat box if you think that digital marketing is the future. Fantastic. All right. So this is the power of, digital marketing, right? Whatever it is you are amplifying. Like, for example, we have one guy called Prashant Kishore. How many of you know PK? Just type PK in the chat box. What is he doing? He is helping politicians amplify their message, right? And what is he basically doing? He is also doing digital marketing only, right? In a much more planned way. So basically, trying to have a marketing strategy or a digital marketing strategy is where you will have your superpowers. And that is one of the reasons that in our internship program, we have 4 bonus videos, right? In our internship program, one bonus video is about getting a job. One bonus video is about freelancing. One video about mentoring. One video about affiliate marketing. And you see, the first 12 modules of the Digital Deepak internship program focuses on understanding how to communicate. And, next, the 4 bonus weeks are basically about how to monetize your skills, right? So what I'm going to do is that instead of trying to explain all these things myself, I want to go ahead and pick out some of my existing interns in the group right now and give them an opportunity to speak on how they were able to monetize their digital marketing skills one by one. We can maybe start with affiliate marketing, because affiliate marketing is the one in most demand. So who has made at least $1,000 with affiliate marketing? Anybody who is my intern who has made more than $1,000 with affiliate marketing, let me know in the chat box. And what I will do is that I will put you as a panelist, or even if it is $500, if you have gone ahead and did affiliate promotions and started making money, then let me know in the chat box. I will put you as a panelist and you will have an opportunity to talk to the audience about what exactly you did to end up making this money. Any freelancers here? Freelancers can also let me know. Do you do freelancing for US, UK clients? And do you do, do you create websites or any freelancing services? Yes. So if you are a freelancer and if you have made some money, then just type DF and type how much money you have made in dollars. If you have already done it, then I can maybe put you live. So who is a freelancer here? And who is ready to come online? Let me know. So Latif, can I put you online? Would you like to come on video? All right. So Latif, Jayant, Nimish, not in dollars, but I've made money in INR, but not that much. So Sahil, good. You have made it. So looks like people are feeling a little bit shy. We don't have any social butterflies here as of now. Nobody wants to come on video, but it's fine. So so any intern who wants to share their experience about the internship program and want to come in front of the audience, let me know. Do you want to share about your learning journey? So just let me know in the chat box if you want to come on video as a panelist, and I will put you online. I hope my audio is clear, guys. Just type clear in the chat box if my audio is clear. All right. So I will put Gajendra online, and maybe you can share your experience with us.
Hello.
Hi.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening. So which batch are you from?
I am from 10th batch.
Okay, great.
Yes, sir.
So
It is really a great opportunity. No, just a second. It is a discussion.
Sure. So Arjun, maybe you can come online and then we can put Gajendra online. Yes, let Arjun go and then Gajendra you can go. Yes. Hi, Arjun.
But sir, thank you for making me online. It was a nice experience. I am part of batch 9 intern. So
Okay.
I am part of I have completed all the assignments and it was an exciting journey. I received all my cashbacks and it was I learned a lot. And I
Okay.
got some freelance projects as well, but it's in starting stages, I can say.
Yes.
So I'm trying to get the clients. So I have been sending the emails to my email list. I had already built a community of 200 plus people. So I out of that, I got 3 clients. Yeah,
Okay.
but still in starting stages. So I'm trying to nurture them as I learned from your internship.
Yes.
So it was an experience, Deepak sir. So you have created your own, your own version of the online. What I can say. Yeah, I'm excited. Actually, I don't know what to talk. So it was
Cool.
good. It was a good experience. Yeah, I had blogged about it and on my website. Yeah, that's it.
Fantastic. Great. Where are you from, by the way?
I'm from Bangalore. I basically have almost 10 plus years experience in industry. I work
Okay.
as a tester basically.
Okay.
So I work with Discovery currently. and I, as a like side gig, I learned this digital marketing, and even I suggested your program for many people, and I keep suggesting to many people because it helps a lot to earn as well as learn as well. Yeah,
Yes,
that's fine.
yes, that's the plan. Thank you. Thanks a lot. So yes, Gajendra, you can go next.
Yes, it is really a nice experience to join you, sir. I have tried before to join, but because of some financial condition, I was not able to join that time. So next time I grabbed the opportunity to join you, and really I got many of the things to learn from you. It just opened my mind. And currently I am also doing my another internship program. It is a digital marketing agency. So I'm trying to work there and get experience for the upcoming job in my future.
Okay, fantastic, fantastic.
You are helping me
All the best.
in lots of manners.
Great. All the best for it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hey, Saravanan.
Hi.
Hi.
So it has been a wonderful experience so far. Frankly, I had tried digital marketing at least 2-3 attempts. I literally lost hope. So I somehow I liked your profile picture actually, and then I did not even listen to the first hour. I just paid off and somehow, yeah. Basically, see, I have a 25 years experience in healthcare. I
Okay.
resigned and then started my own psychotherapy, yoga therapy business, and it's doing well. And I tried to market it but none of them were able to give me the right solution. I only wasted around 2-3 lakhs on that. So I thought I should learn it, and this is a wonderful program. I think I am learning everything, the nuts and bolts of everything. So thank you very much for that.
I try to make it a holistic program. I know it's like almost 40 hours of content, but it kind of like integrates everything right from the mindset, right?
Yeah, in fact, you are motivating me to go back to business now.
Yes, yes,
So,
please.
yeah.
So we had people in batch 2 who joined batch 4 again. Then we had people in batch 4 who joined batch 8 again, just to go through all the videos and do all the assignments again.
Very nice. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Cool. Thank you. So Nitish, you can go next.
Sir, I was also part of the internship program. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
So I was also a part of the internship program, and I'm a lawyer. And basically, these days, the digital platforms are emerging for lawyers also. I had my own YouTube channel and has a following also. And your internship program has helped me a lot in nurturing new clients, leads through Telegram group and Calendly I'm using, which has helped me a lot in generating new clientele.
Oh, fantastic. Great. So
So
you fall into the 5th category where you are growing your existing
yes,
business or
I
existing.
already have a
Yes.
45,000 following in the YouTube channel.
Oh, fantastic. Okay.
And through your program, it has boosted my existing following, and
Okay.
in the assignments are great, and the work I performed was great.
Fantastic.
Thank
Nice
you,
to know
sir.
that. Thank you. Thanks a lot. All the best.
Thank you.
Priyanka Sharma, you can go next.
Hi, I have to say thanks to you for your program, not because, of course, because of the knowledge and the effort you make, but also that it leaves your students more confident about their own skills. So it's when I speak to I carry about 20 years of experience with communication. The roles have moved from business development, consulting, everything here and there. But the confidence that you get when you speak after going through your program, it resonates. It resonates with people. It resonates with yourself. And you know that when you're putting your word on the table and expecting remuneration for it, you're not cheating people or you're not cutting corners. You're speaking about it the way it is. When you speak, it makes sense. When you go through the program, you just have to go through the program to understand what it means to when it makes sense. You have to go through the program to understand that you get it. Like, I've spent about 8 years with freelance. So I took your program because I'd spent so much time on the internet And the only thing that kept coming back to me was nobody's making websites because they feel like, or because they have nothing better to do, or because they want the world to be a better place and put more content, more information on the internet. There just has to be more in it. So
Yes.
what that is something I wanted to figure out. And thank you for inviting me and hearing this out, because it just, the intent of joining your program was to figure out what's up.
Yes.
And now when I talk to
There
people,
was so much, I think, buzz about the program. So you are probably like, okay, let's just figure out what is
No,
this
no,
all
I
about.
paid up before. I paid up before I had like really gone through it. Like I'd made up my mind to pay up and go through the program at I don't know what stage. It was before your introduction webinar. But that said, it was a nice experience to be able to be a part of something when it finally starts to make sense. And when you talk to people, you don't feel like a cheat. You feel like you're respected for the word that you put on table.
Great, great. All the best.
So appreciate the effort you make.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks for sharing.
So I
your-
must say that I can I take a moment and show off my skill. I made my own website as a part of the program, and now I carry the confidence of making it for others so that
Yeah.
I can support others in their efforts. So
Yes,
my
yes.
second.
So whenever
is like a-
someone is like, hey, how do I create a website? Hey, I know that. Let me do that for you.
Yeah, let me
That's
just help
it for
you out with it.
confidence.
I'm no expert, and I know I can go back to the community. So
Yeah.
when I took up that project, I knew I could go back to the community, ask for people to help out, and somebody actually pitched in. So it was just not me doing it by myself. So you knew you could go somewhere and ask for help should you really feel stuck. So that was a good fallback, and it's very required and very important.
Yes, yes.
So
Thank you.
appreciate.
Thanks a lot, and look forward to the other things that we are building in terms of community and
I'd love
content.
to be able to pitch in. It'd be nice to be connected either which ways.
Yes.
Appreciate what you do.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Vinay, you can go next.
Hello, sir.
Hey,
It's a
Vinay.
pleasure to share a screen with you.
Yes.
I just want to say one thing that I learned a lot from you, because it's like when I entered in digital marketing, I felt like I entered in an ocean, because I did a lot of marketing since 2004. You know that I made a website in 2004, but still I learned a lot in how to use various tools to attract your clients. And I think a person who is having more than 10 years experience in various fields can also learn a lot in your through your program. And I ask many people to join you, because it's a small expense you do or investment you do for your studies, but you get a lot of things. Thank you very much, sir. It's a pleasure to share screen with you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, sir.
David, you can go.
Hi, Deepak. Thank you so much. It was such a wonderful experience going with you. I just come into I just saw your post randomly on Facebook, and I started following you.
Okay.
And then I attended the first, batch 6 call where you were talking about what is batch 6 all about, internship is all about. And I was really not, convinced to join any course in digital marketing, because I have seen thousands of people take digital marketing course. They charge you, they do a lot of things, but you don't get to learn anything, because it was always about you run this ad, and things like that. And I will always strongly believe that if I cannot make a penny without spending a penny, then there's no point in spending $1,000 to get a penny, right? So it was like that. And I really like the way it started with, the internship, because of the assignments and the cashback policy. So it went very good. I really loved your course, and I just want to make a statement that I was able to make more than not just $1,000, but probably more than $5,000 at least.
Oh, wow.
And in digital marketing, plus I've suggested it was just through a single client. I was able to crack a single client. I gave them a lot of ideas, tips with respect to digital marketing for their conference, and it went really, really well. And I'm still following you because I was part of batch 6, but still I get a lot of information from you. And in the near future, I'm really, really looking forward to not just learn from you, but also to an opportunity to work with you, in some good ways.
Yes, I just dropped you a personal message. So
Yeah,
you
thank
can
you.
check that. And thanks a lot. Glad to know that you have actually got an ROI from the program. That's what I tell people who feel like, first of all, I'm giving all the money back for assignments. On top of it, people feel like, hey, why should I spend 15,000? But it's not even about the getting back the 15,000, right? The skills are probably worth a lot more, and people can end up making a lot more in life with the skills gained.
So, and the main point is this, I would, the major thing I learned from this course is not just about the tools or about the digital marketing things, but it is about the ways you can make money or ways you can learn digital marketing, how digital marketing is actually working, or what are the different ideologies people are using. See, I have been part of a lot of other digital marketing webinar courses which you have conducted, but you had guest lectures. I was never impressed with that because everything always took you through a single path, but your course obviously showed me a lot of ways to make money. And if anyone is really waiting to grab an opportunity to make money or to start, make a better business or to learn, make a better career, they'll definitely get a lot of things from you. And thank you really for that.
Awesome. Glad to know that. Yes. Thank you, David. Where are you from?
Yeah. Basically from Coimbatore, right now in Bangalore.
Okay. So Tamil. தெரியுது மூஞ்சி தமிழ் பயமா இருக்கு ஃபீலிங் வரும் இல்லையா?
Yeah.
Cool.
Thank you. Tamil பேசுனதுக்கு நன்றி.
Thank you.
So we'll catch up sometime in
I think I just changed his role to attendee just a little bit too early. But anyway, thanks, David. Sorry for cutting you off a little bit too early. But yes, so how many people are excited to join the internship program batch 13? I really wanted to, get the previous intern live on this call, not to try to sell, but to convince you because this program can change your life. So just type B13, just type B13, put all panelists and attendees. If you are like ready to join batch 13, and we will be doing a launch webinar for batch 13 soon. And we will be explaining what are all the structure of the program, how you can learn about the program and everything. So this is for the people who are not already part of my internship program. I hope the feedback from the existing students is kind of overwhelming, and sometimes it's overwhelming for me as well. I don't believe that I still believe that people have achieved because of their own capabilities. I probably just showed the way and they walked the path. And sometimes people attribute that, it was because of me, which is overwhelming. But anyway, thanks everyone for attending this webinar. And I will be sharing a recording of this webinar. I will be sharing the mind map with you as well. So do not worry about it. And so Alex is saying, why not batch 12A instead of 13? Does anybody have the problem with number 13? I mean, if anybody has a problem with number 13, then you can join batch 14, I guess. I mean, every month we have a 13th date. You cannot really avoid 13th. Some people feel like 13 is also their lucky number, right? Cool. So whatever it is in terms of pricing, structure, and the start dates and everything will be revealed only in the launch webinar of the internship program. So we will be announcing about it. And for the existing interns, I will see you in the next mastermind call and look forward to the release of the affiliate marketing bonus video. So thank you for tuning into today's webinar, guys. Thanks a lot. And I know that a lot of people still want to share their story, but we do not have time. We'll probably do it next time. And that's it. Good night and stay home, stay safe. And just say good night to your fellow participants as well on the chat box. Put all panelists and attendees. Let's see some buzz here. And thanks a lot. The community is always great. It's always energetic. And I will see you in the next webinar. Bye-bye.